Hello guys, so right here we have the true wireless headphones right here. These are like really cool. They are boxed really cool. We're just gonna go ahead and get it right away. So right here we're gonna go ahead and unbox it. Right here is the headset itself. Headset's in the case. As you guys can see, this is what it looks like. I think we would have to take off this plastic. Right here is the headsets right here. And these are what they look like. We're gonna put them back in the case. We're gonna see what else is in the case. And it looks like we have some wiring right here. And right here are some buds that goes in your ears. If they are too tiny, then so well. So right here are the instruction manuals, but who the heck would need these? Because people already know how to use headphones. I'm not gonna try to find out what these are. We're just gonna try to. Now we're just going to unlock. So we have the headphones. And right here, what they look like. Don't ask why they look freaking so weird, but these are what they look like. Matter of fact, this one has so much tiny little, where these are, that literally just fits up your ear. That just goes over your ear. I really have no idea why these are here, but these are how they look like. Just apparently how they really look like. And the case it's a very nice case. I don't know why I got them in dark. But these are what the case are. Be careful when you do this with your fingers under it, because you could like smash it on your fingers. Right here I have my Apple iPad Pro. So we're just going to turn it on. So we have my iPad myself. I'm going to put a song on. By the way, it's connected to my different headphones. I would have to just connect them to here. This is the button. That's not a button. I guess I'm gonna have troubles here trying to turn it on. That's not a button. Well, we had to like find out about something. You would just have to hold this down in your ear and it would just actually turn on. So I suggest you not taking off the plastic because your fingerprints will be on it. So yeah, apparently we're just gonna try going back into this. Let's go something based. So I don't hear anything. So we finally got the headphones working, so I'm going to just turn on a song and just see if it's going to work or not. And this is the song we're gonna just play. Whoa, these are actually bass ones. These are actually air bass ones. Okay, if you guys really want headphones that are like weird and just like they go over your ear and you know they're so tiny, I would probably suggest getting these because you know they're nice and yeah. So okay, so using your actual Type-C, it takes this kind of, wait, it actually is a Type-C. You would just have to just plug it in like this. And then you would just connect it to a brick in the wall and you would be able to do it. This is what these buds look like. And we're just going to take this off. So right here what the buds are. And this is the case. Now if you guys can see, I'm just going to just put it in there. And right there, it's kind of cool because it just shows the thing, and we can just put the buds in there like this. I only got it wrong ways. And these are what the buds look like. And this is what the case looks like. I suggest, like, if it's dark time. So if you guys can see, this is what it looks like. And I hope you guys like these and you want it. You can get it down below. So I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. So bye guys.